Yes, it's my birthday today. Let's not linger there for too long. We'll be collecting the cake and then we'll be heading towards Morjim, where our next stop is. So thanks for making it to part 2 of the video. We have reached Morjim and we are in this resort called Azora by Ayatana, and everything around me looks so pretty out here. I know not much is getting captured now, but I would like to start with how pretty the room was when I first walked in, and it still is. It looks like you can spend whole day being inside. And then we've got this full-length mirror. There's a poof, whatever you call that, cupboard made of cane. We've got a lounger with a stool in front of it. Another cute thing that I saw is that these small containers, they've got cookies inside. There's also a peg measurer. It's quite a stylish resort, and this is just the interiors. And then there's a porch with 2 chairs and a small table, and this is our cottage. Okay, I'll show you how the weather is today in Goa. It was raining this morning, but thankfully it's been a little sunny since some time now. This resort is mostly empty. There are like just a few cottages that are filled. I can hear some noise from the pool area. I haven't seen such an extended pool in my life before. Probably I need to come back here in my swimsuit now. Oh, that's an 8-finger ready. All right. So we've ordered some food to be brought to the room, and we're going to just start our birthday with that probably, and see where the rest of the day goes. So our food has arrived. Chicken wings with the infamous chicken barbecue sauce. We are leaving room in our systems for dinner later in the night, so we are taking it easy with whatever we are eating and all. So I finally gotten dressed for the night out, and we're gonna cut the cake real quick and then head out. We've taken a reservation at Tomatoes. We've also made another good decision of not going too far, and Tomatoes is just like 10 minutes away, so we don't have to hurry that much. So off we go and cut the cake. So let's reveal the cake. There it is. It's a space themed Ferrero Rocher flavored cake, and the colors here are a gradient of blue, purple, silver, so that it looks like the night sky, and that's like an additional embellishment to look like a moon, just that it's made of chocolate. And isn't it so nice? You get the first bite.
Thank you.
You get the first bite. We are now going out for our dinner, and the thing is, we are already so full because we've had too much of the cake.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back. To the end
Good morning, everyone. This is day 2, the day after my birthday. We don't have any such plans for today because this resort is so pretty. We thought, why not stay inside the resort and explore more of it? This looks very shallow, na, the pool?
Yeah.
We have reached the pool, and thank God for the sunny day. You can see how blue everything is looking. It's been like 2 hours now since we've been here. We just don't feel like getting out because the pool is too beautiful. Finally, I managed to get my husband out of the pool. We are having some snacks, like some of these chicken wings, and we are like.
So 862.
Starting with the